spend it, I'd start saving straight away. Knowing me, I'll probably end up losing a job and I need that money to get on that.
I'm just saving for a holiday.
Start saving up for my holiday.
Yeah. What do you want to do? Like, somewhere hot or somewhere cold first?
Where we would be going, right? I'd have to say. Whoa.
Climb, monkey boy. I can see him just like he falls down. He gets the twig right between his legs.
Oh, I always say that he gets it shoved right up his arse, don't you know?
Well, he likes that.
He hates it when I say that.
Screw you, fucker.
Can I hear it snapping? No.
Timber.
That's me cutting like this. Going.
Sit, going to die.
That's it.
Sit. Look at my head. Fuck.
What? There's a tight fat there where he goes, whoosh.
Whoosh.
Like, oh, look, he's whooshing. Like, I said, it's a fast whoosh.
Whoosh. Whoosh with the bush.
I suggest you watch it last night. I really want to. Watch it on the internet. That's why I said.
Oh, have you seen that? Have you seen that new movie with Adam Sandler?
Yeah,
Never mess with a Zohan. Yeah. That looks so good.
I've seen Love Guru. That is fucking hilarious.
I want to cut hair.
What are you, okay? He's like laughing at his own parents. Have you ever dealt with children before?
Yeah. Whack! Passes out. Did he land in the cake or something?
No, he's on a ride. He goes, it's the best time to start scratching the back of your head. No, don't put the tape up there.
No shit.
Just stop snapping, tell me. No.
I bought you that fish, man.
Yeah, I know you did. Oh my God. What was he wearing? What is that?
Fuck you, man.
Hey, I don't like it. It's a good thing.
I could see just like, fine, man.
I've made some nice adjustments for us. We've got some like, little knives.
Kindling.
Five hours on last night again.
What one? Family? Oh, yeah.
Oh, we jumped out the window. Everyone gets one. Yeah, he pulls off his robe. He's like, no, thanks, bye, man.
Yeah. What do they say, Peter? Everyone gets one? That's alright.
Whoa!
Yeah. Everyone gets one. Tell him, Peter. Apparently, everyone gets one. That's right. Nice, it's bingo. Bingo. Woo! No, I've got 10 megawatts.
Joe was sitting down cooking. Yeah. And that tree was about to come down. He said, no, just leave it for 15 minutes, I'll get it. And it was like 5 seconds later. Fuck!
It's only about 3 minutes, something like that. Can't even see the time. The camera's broken.
I'll take over.
Give it fucking hell. Timber. Better got more powerful shot. Nice. Rusty, stay there.
Get down.
You pussy.
I'm not getting down. I can't climb up. Your weight's on the wrong side.
That's it?
That's it.
Oh, shit.
Keep going.
Ben, I wouldn't stay there.
No, it's alright. It's going to go that way. Are you ready?
It's going to go straight north.
Right, hold on. Hold on. Wait. No, don't wait. Whoa. Don't fucking do that. I just want to see that completely go. There we go. Last couple of hits. Last few hits, then. Fuck it, I want to get on it. Right, wait, stop.
Da 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 da. You're gonna lose his hand.
No, I won't. Not that bad.
Timber.
Oh my God!
I got it! I got that fucking right. That's a YouTube classic. You right?
Can I see that video? Oh.
That was so funny.
That my favourite.
Karma, it's up on the screen.